Hi friends, you are watching All Today Tech channel. Today I will show you how to create new WhatsApp in your Android phone. Okay friends, first of all you need to open Google Play Store. Every secured app has available in only Google Play Store friends. Google Play Store will verify all the apps which are available in the store and provide best of them. Okay, once you need to open Google Play Store. After you open Google Play Store, type WhatsApp in the search box. See friends, just type WhatsApp and press search button. It will directly shows install button. Click on install and then accept terms and conditions. This accept means you give permission to the app to download and install in your. I will skip installation friends. I will skip download friends. See after download it will automatically install friends. It will take some time to install new app every time. This is a general installation time. Every app will take this much of time. After installation you will directly click on open and you will open your WhatsApp messenger. First time you will open like this, but how to open next time? WhatsApp will create your desktop icon automatically, shortcut icon. See friends, WhatsApp in your apps list. Click on WhatsApp and click on agree and continue. Agree and continue means you will accept all conditions of WhatsApp. By clicking agree and continue, you will be redirected to your verify your phone number page. In this, you need to enter your mobile number and click on next. After clicking next, you will be redirected. It will ask your number is correct or you need to edit. It will give you another chance to verify your number. Okay friends. See friends, when I click on next button, it will connecting. See friends, it will ask verify your phone number. Once we click OK, it will send us one verification code, that is OTP. We need to enter it in the given box. It has 6-digit code friends. When you are using number is in the same mobile, it will automatically takes that OTP and you will redirect to profile information. In this you will enter your name to identify others. Okay friends, after entering your name, click next button. Now WhatsApp will open. It will initializing all your setups. That means for your first use it was initializing all the data. It will take some time friend, just 2 minutes time. It will take 2 minutes of time. Why means it was starting now. It was starting freshly, newly. That's why it will take some time. When you open next time, it will directly opens. See friends, now WhatsApp is ready for sending messages and receiving messages. For sending messages and to receive. See friends, there are three options: chats, status and calls. Charts, you will see the history of your send messages and delivered send messages, you received message. Status means that is your status. In the calls folder, you will see when you call anyone, you will see there. Friends, this is a new WhatsApp. I created new one, so no chart is available in my chat history. See friends, I will send one message to one of my friends. saying hi. Once I send hi, there is one tick mark. The tick mark shows we will send the message, but the message will deliver to the recipient or not. How we know? Yes, there is another option. When you see double tick mark, then the message will be delivered to the recipient. Friends, you understand me? See friends, just observe. My friend will, that means when it was delivered, when the recipient have net connection and he opens WhatsApp, then it will be delivered. If he saw or not, that is another question. First of all, the message will be sent to the recipient or not. See, observe friends. I will open the recipient's WhatsApp. Then you will see double tick mark. See friends, the message will be delivered to the recipient. How we know if the message was delivered but the recipient saw the message or not? How we know? Just observe friends, once the recipient see the message delivered, we get blue tick marks. In the place of tick marks, we see colored tick marks. See friends, the tick marks color was changed to blue. When this appears, the recipient reads our message, our send message. See friends, how WhatsApp will be installed in our Android mobile and how it will be used. It will be used the first time. Okay friends, thank you friends, thank you for watching. If you like this video, share to your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.